Why you pull back so far?
Cause
damn near in the neighbor's spot. Jeez. Anyway, I'm on my way dropping my son off at practice. And today we were supposed to go to a parade as a family.
what time does that start?
It's over with. It started at 10 a.m. But I'll be honest, everybody in my house, we stay up late and we are just really, I'm just gonna say we're night owls, and the morning sometimes is just not for us. So that would have been fun to do with the family, but we didn't make it. So I just did a little bit more cleaning up, finished up some more laundry because I wanted to clean, like wash my blankets and stuff for the week. My blankets needed washing. Seriously. I'm not doing nothing today. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not doing nothing. But yeah, got the girls ready for school. Made sure they had their weekly outfits out, because for some reason, look, they just don't have it all together yet. I still have to get them prepared as far as like making sure they have their things together. So they got all their things together, and it seems like we're on point for a good week. I hope you guys are having an amazing, productive, wonderful day. Hope you got out and you did something today. I'm gonna try to get out and do something today because I haven't did nothing in a while. So I think it'll be good to kind of get out and do something. Yeah, we in here steaming hot. We ain't raised the windows down. But yeah, it'll be nice if you drop down in the comments and tell me what you did for your Memorial Day weekend. We didn't even barbecue. Usually people barbecue. We didn't even barbecue. Yeah. My son's so, he's like a half of a man right now. Anyway.
Half of a man.
Yeah, he's half of a man. He's still always gonna be my baby. He ain't never gonna be a full-grown man to me. Some people might not like that, but my baby is my baby always and forever, okay? I don't care if he's 50, 60, 70 years old. Still my baby, right? Anyway, I ain't got nothing else to talk about. I'll talk to y'all in a minute.
You can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
My baby wants me to pick a sticker or a couple stickers to go onto my laptop. So that's what we're gonna do. Which ones do you think that I should have? Clearly green or pink.
Yeah. There's this cute Hello Kitty one. I don't know where it went. This one.
Okay, that is really cute.
And
Maybe the frog. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna give me some cute little laptop stickers. I'll show you guys later. Here are my little stickers. She said I must have these. So, yeah. And then I have another little green one on the front. So, yeah. I am in my bed, chilling. And, yeah, that is how I'm ending the day. I'm not about to do nothing else but chill. I was productive. I was productive today. I got some things done that I needed to get done. And I hope you did as well. And I will see y'all tomorrow.